All right, guys, I'm making a video here of some instructions that I think might be helpful for this poster. So this is the file that is on Canvas. You are making a poster or you're making a presentation. I don't mind if it's either hand-drawn and you upload a picture. I don't mind if you make it on Notability and then put the pictures into Keynote. I don't mind if you do it all on Notability and then submit that. I'm more concerned that you are actually looking at the characteristics of living things and that you can demonstrate you understand them. So write one characteristic in each box or slide. So whichever method you're doing, you should have 8 sections, whether it's 8 boxes on a paper or 8 slides on a Keynote, but you're going to have 8, one for each characteristic of living things. Describe each characteristic in the box. You can either describe the definition. So for example, DNA is the universal genetic code of all living things. You could write that definition of DNA, or you're looking at step 4 here. You are using one type of living thing to show all of these. Say you use a butterfly for your example. You could say, a butterfly has DNA in all of its cells, which is the universal genetic code, something like that. So you can either give me the regular definition or apply it to your living thing and use that as your example. Create one colored picture in each box or slide. Represent, so you're going to make some pictures. I want pictures and not just clip art or things like that. Underneath that it says you're not graded on your artistic ability. I am not grading you on how well you can draw a butterfly, but what I am grading you on is your information accurate? Does this make sense? Does this example work? Here's some ways that it's going to be graded. Right here, let me turn on my highlighter a second. And then here at the bottom, these are the 8 characteristics that you need to have. So you need to have one of those for each box, and then your one living thing, how it demonstrates each of those. All right, so hopefully that helps a little bit. It explains things, describes things. If you have any other questions, go ahead and send me an email.